where the connections and the queries of a database and the database database URL formats. So for the MySQL, the database format is JDBC dot uh, MySQL slashes hostname, something like that. So these are the popular database systems in the URL formats. Oracle DB2, PostgreSQL, Java DB, Apache, led by Microsoft SQL Server, Sybase. So this system requires the user to log in before accessing the database connects content, where the driver manager method get connection is overloaded with versions which enables the program to supply the username and password to gain access. So in the connection method, where we create a statement which obtains an object that implements interface statement, and the statement object execute a query method which submits a query to the database, and result set meta describes the result set's content, and result set data set metadata where method gets column count which retrieves the number of columns in the result set. The first call to the result set method and the next position is the result set cursor into the first row, where the get column type, get int, get object. So get column type it is an integer from the class types. Get int which returns the column value as an int. Get object which returns the column as an object. And the querying the books database. It allows the user to enter and any query into the program and displays the results of a query with using a table model object to provide the result set data to the JTable and can be bound to a database to display the results of a query. And so get column class, get column count, get column name, get row count, get value 8, where the public class result set data table model extends for the result set rows and columns, where the private Boolean connection database is equal to 4. This is a key keeping the track of the database connection, and the statement is equal to connection dot create a statement which is used to create a statement to a database, or the connection to database is equal to true. Update database connection status. And result set type specifies the result set cursor which is able to scroll the directions of forward only, both directions of forward only, whether the result set is sensitive to change to the underlying data, and the result sets are sensitive to change the reflect those changes, and after they are made with methods of interface result set. And the table model dot disconnection from database is used to ensure the database correction is in the close, and the public point window close is disconnected from our database and when window is closed. And acquiring the book's database, any local variable which enables the used in NMS in a class must be declared, otherwise the compilation error occurs. The class table row sorter can be used to sort rows and JTable. JTable method which specifies the table row sorter for the JTable. Row set interface. It provides a set method which allows you to specify the properties which is needed to establish a create a statement. It provides a several get methods which returns these properties. It gets the connection row set object is uh, connected to the database, which executes a query to retrieve the data from the database and then close the connection. Where the program may change the data in the disconnected row set while it is disconnected. So here are the author tables of the book database for a JDBC row set: author's name, author's ID, first name, last name, row set interface. JDBC row set method is set URL specify the database URL, set username specifies the username, set command specifies the username. Get column class name, which it obtains the fully qualified class name for the specified column. Get column count, it obtains the number of columns in the result set. Get column name, which obtains the column name from the result set. And result result set method absolute positions the real set cursor at a selfie of a specific row, and the last positions in the result set cursor at the last row in the rule set. And and the starting final the string database URL is called JDBC colon SQL. This is the URL username and password. A private JText area as the private result set table mode.